Welcome to One and All Present here. I am Dakshin of Grade 10. Today I am going to explain about refraction. Before going into this topic, first we can see the basic definition. The phenomena of bending of light from its original path on entering another medium is known as refraction. Now let's see the examples of refraction. Example 1 is bending of pencil. When you insert a pencil in a glass of water, you may see that pencil bends. This is known as refraction. Second example is in case a swimming pool appears shallow. The water appears in swimming pool or be deeper than they are. This is due to refraction. Third example is arrow get reversed. You may observe in the screen which is shown picture the point towards the right, but while we are viewing a glass of water, the point is pointing towards the left. This is due to refraction. Refraction is a change in direction of a light when it is traveled obliquely from one medium to another. We are going to see two cases. First case, when the light goes from rarer medium to denser medium, it bends towards the normal. In this, you may observe that angle of incidence is greater than the angle of refraction. At case 2, when the light ray passes from denser medium to rarer medium, the angle of incidence is smaller than the angle of refraction. It bends away from the normal. Now let's see about atmospheric refraction. Case 1 is twinkling of stars. The star light on entering Earth's atmosphere undergoes refraction continuously before it reaches the absorber. Since the refractive index of Earth's atmosphere is gradually changing, the atmosphere bends the starlight towards the normal and apparent position of stars slightly higher than the actual position. Case 2. Planets do not twinkle. Planets are very close to us as compared to the stars. This apparent position also changes with the direction in the density of different layers of atmosphere. However, the size of the apparent image is still far larger such that it is seldom false. The third is advanced sunrise and delayed sunset. The sun is visible to us about 2 minutes before a natural sunset and about 2 minutes after the actual sunset. This is due to the atmospheric refraction by horizon of sunrise. We mean that actual crossing of horizon by the sun. Thank you. Have a nice day.